What's up, Flutter Devs? If you are one of those rich devs with a high-end laptop to run this monster, well, today we are diving into some awesome tips and shortcuts of Android Studio for Flutter development. So, let's go. Quickly view widget definitions without leaving your current file. Press Ctrl-Shift-I or Command-Shift-I on Mac to pop up the widget's definitions without navigating to its file. In Flutter, as we expand our code, we usually start to isolate and encapsulate some parts of the code, which leaves us with a lot of unused imports. To quickly remove them all at once, just simply press Ctrl-Alt-O on Windows and Command-Option-O on Mac, and now all of your unused imports are gone. In Android Studio, we have a very useful shortcut for Flutter, and that's Alt+Enter or Option+Enter if you're on Mac. Now, if you do it while a part of an executable code is selected, you can simply wrap the highlighted code inside a conditional statement. And if you press this shortcut when a widget or a part of the widget tree is selected, you can wrap the selected widget in one of these commonly used widgets. Selecting an entire widget in Flutter could get really hard sometimes, considering the fact that Flutter can get so much indents. But there is a simple way to select an entire widget. Just choose the desired widget with your cursor and repeatedly press Ctrl+W. Each press expands your selection until the whole widget is highlighted. And you can press it some more times and it just selects higher scopes of your widget tree. As creating stateless and stateful widgets is repeatedly done in Flutter, let's make it easy by using two simple code snippets. You can quickly generate a template for stateless and stateful widgets by simply typing STLESS for stateless and STFUL for stateful widget. Now hit enter and name your widget. And boom, you just saved yourself a lot of time. And there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. And for those who stick to the video till here, well, I have a bonus for you. You're gonna have the honor to be able to watch me do these epic dance moves that I've just learned.
Nope, probably never.